How to find X username and password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application for that and scroll below, then tap on to Google. As you do so, you will see your Google account. Also make sure this is the same account your Twitter is registered into. Then tap on Manage your Google account. At this section, swipe into your left and tap on Security tab. Here scroll below until you find Password Manager. Then tap on Manage Passwords. Then under here you would find Twitter. To confirm that, first of all, type in your PIN and now you can see your username and password for your Twitter account. In order to view your password, tap on this eye icon and that is how you can view it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.